Surfer AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Surfer AI tool. If you're interested in enhancing your content creation game, you're in the right place. I've included links to the tool in the description for easy access. Surfer AI is a cutting-edge platform designed to streamline and optimize your content creation by combining data-driven insights with seamless AI writing capabilities. Made for marketers, SEO professionals, content writers, and business owners, it's a one-stop solution to produce highly optimized content that ranks on search engines. The standout feature of Surfer AI is its integration with Surfer SEO's robust keyword and SERP analysis. Once you input a topic or target keyword, Surfer AI generates a complete article fully aligned with the latest SEO guidelines, including ideal word count, keyword density, headings, and NLP terms. This ensures every piece you create is primed for ranking. Unlike generic AI tools, Surfer AI doesn't just generate text, it crafts content that's tailored to your specific audience and goals while adhering to your SEO strategy. The interface is intuitive, allowing users to adjust parameters like tone, structure, and length before generating content. Whether you need a blog post, web page copy, or a product description, Surfer AI is versatile enough to handle various types of content. One particularly impressive feature is the ability to refine drafts based on real-time SERP data, ensuring your article stays competitive in rapidly changing markets. Surfer AI excels in saving time and delivering professional results, but it's not without limitations. It's ideal for English content, and the output still benefits from a human touch for creativity and fine-tuning. However, for scaling content production or simplifying your SEO workflow, it's hard to beat. Overall, Surfer AI is a powerful tool for those serious about producing data-backed content that performs. If this sounds like what you need, check the links below to explore it further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review answered all your questions.